At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a house and multiple occupation (HMO) business can be a lucrative venture but requires careful planning and adherence to regulations. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Understand what an HMO is and the regulations governing them in your area. Different regions may have different rules regarding licensing, safety standards, and property requirements. Research the demand for HMOs in your target area. Consider factors like population density, proximity to universities or job centers, and rental market trends. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Include details about how you'll finance the business, whether through personal savings, loans, or investors. 3. Legal and regulatory requirements. Check with local authorities to understand the specific regulations governing HMOs in your area. This may include licensing requirements, safety standards, and property licensing. Ensure your properties meet all necessary safety standards, including fire safety regulations, health and safety standards, and building codes. 4. Property acquisition. Purchase or lease properties suitable for conversion into HMOs. Consider factors like location, size, layout, and potential for rental income. Ensure the properties you choose comply with local regulations and are suitable for HMO use. 5. Renovation and furnishing. Renovate and furnish the properties to meet HMO standards. This may include installing fire doors, smoke alarms, emergency lighting, and ensuring adequate amenities for tenants. Consider the needs and preferences of your target market when furnishing the properties. 6. Marketing and tenant acquisition. Develop a marketing strategy to attract tenants to your HMO properties. This may include online advertising, social media marketing, and networking with local universities or employers. Highlight the benefits of living in an HMO, such as affordability, convenience, and communal living arrangements. 7. Management and operations. Implement systems for managing the day-to-day operations of your HMO business, including rent collection, maintenance, and tenant communication. Consider hiring property managers or caretakers to oversee the properties and handle tenant issues. Stay informed about changes in regulations and adapt your operations accordingly to remain compliant. 8. Financial management. Keep detailed financial records of income and expenses related to your HMO properties. Monitor cash flow closely and budget for ongoing expenses such as maintenance, repairs, and utilities. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or accountant to ensure your business remains financially healthy. Starting an HMO business requires careful planning, adherence to regulations, and ongoing management. By following these steps and staying informed about industry trends and regulations, you can build a successful HMO business. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.